Hi, I'm Tim Richards, Managing Director of Richgro Garden Products. We process up to 150 tonne of food waste a day, and for the last 10 years, Richgro as a business has been totally off the grid. We've just taken delivery of a new fleet of electric Toyota forklifts. We've purchased 5 2.5 tonne electric forklifts, as well as a sweeper to start with, and we'll look to expand that fleet as we move forward. We've been with Toyota for a number of years now. They're absolutely fantastic to deal with, very prompt. We've stayed with Toyota. They are wonderful machines, very reliable, user-friendly. You know, their service parts and backup is fantastic, so we saw no reason to change. About the servicing and maintenance and everything, really that's all it is, servicing and maintenance. Given they're so reliable, we have minimal downtime, so it does improve efficiencies of the business. We've been very, very happy with their quality.